Welcome to another edition in the Manufacturing Technology Safety Series. The horizontal bandsaw is a tool that can cut many different types of metal at many different angles using the adjustable clamp on the bed of the horizontal bandsaw. To use the horizontal bandsaw, begin by lifting the bandsaw mechanism up above the workpiece where it will be clamped. Clamp the workpiece securely using the vise on the bed of the saw. Then adjust the feed lever for the horizontal bandsaw cylinder on the right-hand side of the machine. Turn the bandsaw on using the switch and allow the material to be cut using a smooth, steady feed from the bandsaw. Once the material is cut, remove the material and your finished workpiece from the bandsaw. A few bandsaw safety tips. Make sure all machine adjustments are completed before cutting. Clamp all work securely in the vise on the machine. Adjust the cylinder speed to a slow and steady feed, and remove all material when finished.